My name is Maria Filimonova. I'm Penn commercial graduate student from their aesthetic program in 2019. After working at a restaurant for a few years, it kind of started to take a toll on my mental health because I knew that I wanted to do more. So I started thinking about what kind of job I would like to have that I would be both bringing in income and also feel happy about what I do day in and day out. I was already educated in Europe, but because I was only educated in lash extensions, I lacked the hours that I needed for aesthetics license, and that's what prompted me to search for a program. Penn Commercial stood out to me the most because it was the most straightforward school. I could start and finish within 3 months. So Penn Commercial offered me a program that I was able to fit into my lifestyle. Being able to learn it at a comfortable pace at a school that offered a lot more than just beauty services and hands-on experience, that was very helpful. After graduating from Penn Commercial, I was able to obtain my American license and open my own studio, the stuff that I've always dreamed about. This is a very high-end place for people not to only get lash extensions, but also to learn proper lash extensions. We specialize in health-based lash services, meaning that no matter what service you get from us, your natural lashes will never be damaged. Beauty industry is the fastest growing industry in the world right now. After the pandemic, people didn't want to go see their doctors, they wanted to go see their beauticians. Having proper education in the industry allowed me to attract luxury clients because I can offer luxury services. I was actually able to hire one of the graduates. She still currently works for me, and she is fully booked, and she's been fully booked for 6 months now. A lot of my clients ask me where I graduated from, where my staff graduated from, and we always bring up Penn Commercial.